For today's Glammus Day 3, I have a foundation review for you. Miccilo Foundation. This is a soft matte, long-lasting foundation. It is so good. If you've been on the hunt for a really good foundation, you are definitely going to want to watch this video. I have it on right now. And wait until you guys see what my skin looks like right now, because my skin does not look like this. I'm having a very hormonal week and my skin is, you're gonna see. I'm just blown away by this foundation. It is, oh, it's so freaking good. And it's only $24.95, which is crazy because this reminds me of a very high-end foundation. Like, look at how beautiful this is. It's so, all right, let's jump into the video. All right, so I don't have any foundation on. I have a zit coming through. I have a zit right here. My period is due in about 5 days. So I'm dealing with some hormonal stuff. And I have a lot of pink happening. And so I'm going to cover all of this. And I'm gonna go in with the Miccilo Foundation. And this is not a first impression. I have been using this. I've used it a few times. My cat is eating, so that's why you hear the little rumbling in the background. And I actually discovered this foundation on TikTok. The before and afters blew me away. I am in the shade 102 Nude. Does have a pump. So I have tried this with a sponge, like a beauty sponge, and I've also tried it with a foundation brush. I like both ways, but I do prefer the brush. It's more smooth and it gives a little bit more coverage. And this is a full coverage foundation. It is buildable. So I'm just gonna take a pump. We'll go in with 2. You know what I wanna do? I wanted to do like a side by side. Oh well. Never forget the neck. I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics Doja Cat brush just because the other one is dirty. I'm gonna start blending. So this company is from Sweden. And this is the only product they make. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. The coverage is so nice. And they only make foundation. They don't have any other products. You can kind of see the difference. But yeah, they only make foundation. They don't have any other products because they want to just focus on their foundation and the formula. This covers everything. And it looks like my skin. Usually with full coverage foundations, they can look really cakey. This just looks like my skin. It feels like a skin tint. It doesn't even feel like a full coverage. Most full coverage foundations, you're gonna feel them on your face. It's like a one and done. Like, I really do not need concealer. Like, I could just put powder, do my contour, blush, highlight, and be done. And I love that so much. Isn't that so beautiful? It's so freaking beautiful. And it doesn't exaggerate my pores. If anything, it blurs them. Like, it completely smooths everything out. And as you can see, it blends so easy. Like, I don't have to do a lot of work. It's like pretty much blended. I have a zit in my eyebrow. The finish is a soft matte. It's very like velvety. It reminds me of Makeup Forever Matte Velvet. And it also reminds me a little bit of the Estee Lauder Double Wear as far as like the coverage that you get. I feel like I don't even need concealer or powder. Like I feel like I'm just good to go. Very, very natural looking. And I feel like this is a really great beginner full coverage foundation. If you've been wanting to try out full coverage, but it's a little intimidating to you, I feel like this is a great foundation for you. And it's only $24.95, which is amazing because this reminds me of a really, really high-end foundation. And the ingredients are trigger free. I'm going to do a wear test. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, and then I am going to check in later today and show you guys how it holds up through the day. Like I said, I've worn this foundation before and I love it so much. This is one of those foundations that as you wear it, it looks better and better and better. It's not one of those foundations that just falls apart within a few hours. I'm going to check in later. And also the way my other products, like my powder, contour, all that, it plays well with the other products that I use. So that's also a plus. I will leave the link down below in the description box. And I did reach out to the company and I got you guys a coupon code. So I'm going to finish my makeup and I'll see you later. Okay, so it has been 8 hours since I've had this foundation on and I haven't retouched, I haven't blotted, I haven't done anything. The only thing I did was touched up my lipstick. And today was a pretty busy day for me. I had some errands to run. It was a rainy day, so I did get a little rained on earlier when I was running errands. And then I also, when I was driving, of course, I had the heater on and I turn it all the way up. I don't like to be cold. And it was like heater blowing right on my face. And then I also did some cleaning and I'm so happy with how my skin looks. I think it still looks great. I'm a little oily like around my nose, but that happens with every single foundation ever. But other than that, it didn't break up, it doesn't look blotchy, it didn't oxidize, it still looks beautiful. I feel like I could even go out tonight. Usually when I do my makeup in the morning and if I go out at night, I have to wash my face and redo my makeup. I totally feel like I could just, you know, obviously do my hair, get dressed, and go. I'm staying in the house though tonight. This rainy weather just makes me want to like cuddle up in my bed and watch crime documentaries. Out of 5 stars, I give this foundation 5 stars. There's not one thing that I don't like about it. I think it is so, so good. So again, the link will be down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and I will see you tomorrow.